Hey guys.
Go to Minnesota.
We're going to Minnesota. We're going to Minnesota.
The boondocks of Minnesota.
Where we have a lodge.
And boats.
And boats. And jet skis. And we're taking you guys with us.
Please comply. Your sentence in the emergency exit seat, please.
We just landed in Nashville. Okay guys, so we made it to Minnesota. Oh, is this still recording?
Okay, Emily's, are you, am I Polly B?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're here. Me and my mom and sister are doing the Chloe Ting's Slim Thigh Challenge. Let's do this. Oh wow! Around. That's a wrap.
Em, what are you doing right now?
I'm about to drive a boat.
Let me drive a boat.
For a sunset swim with my loving family.
Say hello.
And I'm raising my motor so that we don't get the seaweed. No?
Because this is what it looks like.
Okay, we'll go far away. Yeah, I think we go like around the net. Look at us. Don't let them know we're having a good time.
Say bye, Emily.
Bye. Alright.
3, 2, 1, go. Yo. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Minnesota. My hair makes me look like an actual fish. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is what you gotta do for shoots. For the photo. So that's what we call. Let's see how fast I like pop back up.
Yo, you look like Aunt Fanny from Robot.
Jump.
What is that?
Oh, it worked.
Perfect.
It literally worked. She's drowning though.
I was trying to drown.
Go. It is day 1 in Minnesota, aka the happiest place on earth. It is Chloe Ting's day 2 of the Slim Thigh Challenge. Holy crap.
Bring your knee towards the limit.
Let's go, ladies.
40% around into a high plank position to go.
Holy shiza. And that is a wrap on Chloe Ting's. Oh, it came to me. On Chloe Ting's day 2. Good morning, guys. So it is day 2 here in Minnesota. Well, our second full day. And today we woke up and did Chloe Ting's day 2 of the Slim Thigh Challenge. And then the moms and my sister and brother went and did a bike ride, while my cousin and I went and did a photo shoot. And now I'm about to go ride the 4-wheelers, and see what everyone's up to. It is beautiful weather here, and I never want to leave. So these are our boats at the other beaches. We have a jet ski, we have a fishing boat, and then the pontoon is out right now. But this is our other beach at the cabins. Good morning, guys. It is officially our third full day here in Minnesota. It is Monday, and my mom and I are about to do Chloe Ting's day 3.
Clap your hands. Make sure your back is... on plank. Let's finish this, guys. You can do this. So that you don't
I'm eating toast and then I'm going kayaking. Good morning, guys. So it is day 4 or 5, I'm not sure. It is Wednesday. Yesterday all I recorded was my Chloe Tings. I didn't record any of the day because we were just out on the lake and tanning, and I didn't think about it. But today is another pretty chill lake day. I'm just planning on tanning and probably going out on the jet skis later. So I will keep you guys updated if we do anything interesting.
So away from my body, feel it more. To work those thighs.
But just make sure.
This is far less.
Cheers. All that handwriting on the bus, that's him.
Look at this is fun.
Rapids, baby. These are the park rapids. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
I flip off. Whoa. Hey guys. We're on the boat. I can't even see. Hey, thank you for the boat ride.